Hello everyone, we've got a Whiz Beach day today and we've got one clean in the village where I live at the end, so that's 14 cleans in total. Dream team, Sophie and Matthew, and obviously myself. And it's meant to be absolutely chucking it down with rain today, although so far looking out the window looks alright, so we're going to go for it. See how we do. Right, that's 4 done. Sorry, I haven't got much footage. There's Matthew and Sophie, and as you can probably tell, it's raining. But we're just getting on with it. Hopefully it's not too bad, but it is what it is, and it does what it does. See what happens. Right, that's 2 more down. We've got 8 cleans left to do for the day, and we're coming up. It's about 11:30, just gone that. We've had about 3 conservatory roofs. You've probably seen footage for this one that I've been doing. I haven't got any of the others. When I say conservatory roof cleans as well, they're not like a full-on first like roof clean, getting it looking brand new. They're just a regular monthly roof clean, which obviously you charge differently, and you charge what you charge. Anyway, get on with these next ones. It's starting raining again. So far I've been lucky, but we'll see if we can dodge the showers. Fingers crossed. Right, it's this one done. We've got 7 left to do for the rest of the day. This particular one I've done, there's 7 Velux windows. 4 I've had to do off the ladder. 3 Matthew does from the ground, from the side ears. I have to use the ladder because it's just the way the ground is. And Sophie done some of the lower windows, and Matthew did some of the upper ones as well. Anyway, we're done. It's raining again, but luckily not too heavy, so I think we've got away with it so far today. Okay, fair bit's gone on. We've gone back, we've had lunch, we've gone and filled up, we've done another clean, that's the one that's in our village, headed back out to Whiz Beach, and when we're cleaning one of the houses, we've got a customer that's opposite that's got in touch over the phone, so we cleaned them, and then the next door neighbour came out on one of the cleans as well. So basically with the van in one spot we can do 3 houses. So we've got all them, they're all done now. They used to have a window cleaner who's, for whatever reason, stopped coming round. So we've picked up 3 customers today on top of what we had. So that's a Brucey bonus. We've just done another house, and then not far from that, we've moved to an area. I've just stopped short to do this on the camera. I'm just about 30 seconds away now. Get to a customer's house. We've got 4 cleans left for the rest of the day, and 3 of them are very close. So we'll get on with it. The clouds are sort of like, you've probably noticed in the footage, are quite dark. So it's probably going to pee it down at some point. So I'll get cracking, see if we can beat the weather. That's us done. 17 cleans done for today out of the 14 that was planned. So we've got 3 new customers. Bonus as well, we've got 3 that are all clumped together. So van in one spot, clean all 3, happy days. And the icing on the cake is it was forecast to be heavy rain today, and I'm still dry. So it's a good one all round. Anyway, that's us done. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done already, please subscribe or like the video, put comments below, all that sort of thing helps me out. And catch you on the next video. See you later.